What's poppin', my beautiful jewels? Welcome to my channel, Jade ThaJewel. I'm Jade, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did these beautiful goddess faux locks. This is my first time doing faux locks on myself. I've done it before on other people, but I've never actually done them on myself. Let's just say I'm proud of myself. But in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle. It took me a long time, I'm not gonna lie. One, because it's my first time doing it on myself. Two, I'm a perfectionist. And three, this style just takes a long time as it is. So there's really no quick way to do faux locks unless you're doing like the crochet faux locks. Those are quicker, but like this hairstyle takes a long time, and this just is what it is. Before we get into the video, I would like to show you guys the colors that I use and the brands that I use for this style. I used Shake and Go, and I used EzBraidProfessional. This is all the color 30 in my hair. All this is the color 30. Okay, I got the Freetress Braid Crochet Deep Twist in the color TT30. If you guys can see that. I couldn't find just like a plain 30 at my beauty supply store, which was really annoying, but it doesn't matter because they have 30 and it's also like whatever. Then I got the EzBraidProfessional color 30, and you guys will see why I got this. This is actually a really smart move. This is a smart move. And then I got the Cuban Twist Double Strand 16-inch and the color 30. I got 4 packs of this, 3 packs of this, and 2 packs of this. You actually don't need a lot of this, y'all. Don't buy a lot of this. You need 2 packs, 3 packs max. And you'll see why I got this, but make sure you pack up on this, because if you run out of this, ain't no photo lock, baby, okay? But yeah, the style is time consuming, but it's actually really pretty. So if you want to see how I got this style, stay tuned.
Alright y'all, let's hop into this video. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and y'all know I love to part my hair from ear to ear, dang near on every video. So you know, I part my hair from ear to ear, I put the back section into a ponytail, and I get to parting. Usually I like to part my hair and other people's hair like this, but I love parting like this because it's so simple, so easy, and it causes your hair to be in a variety of parts. So yeah, you're going to part your hair down the middle of that section, then you're going to do it to the back section as well, and after that you should have 4 equal sections. So to start off, I like to brush my edges out and my baby hairs just to make sure that I'm not gripping onto my baby hairs and edges. Do that to your hair and anybody else's hair you're doing with these faux locks, because girl, these things is tight. But now I'm going to move on, and I'm going to be using my Beautiful Textures Moisture Butter, my Shine and Jam stuff, and some black castor oil. And y'all, I'm just going to start parting my hair. There's no specific way to part your hair. Part it to your liking. However, I think you should use the tip that's coming up next. You know, I like to part my hair, and I take my Shine and Jam, and the good thing about putting edge control between your parts, it just helps you create a more precise part. And what I did was I put a rubber band on each section that I parted, right? I put a rubber band on each section, and then I took some moisture butter and I put that on my hair, and then I took some Jamaican black castor oil and I sealed it with some oil. So I moisturized and sealed each little section of hair that I parted. And that's a really great tip, just to make sure that your hair is moisturized in this protective style, because you don't want to start off on extremely dry hair, because that's not what you want, baby girl. Baby girl. No. Y'all, that girl is so funny. But anyways, I'm going on, and I'm going to be showing you guys basically how to do the faux lock. As you saw, I had my Freetress braiding deep wave hair, and I also took some Kanekalon hair and I put that together in one just to make it a little thicker when braiding, because I don't want my faux locks to be so small. So you're going to go ahead and put that on, and then you're just going to braid it, and then you're going to use your crochet needle using some marley hair, put that through, and then begin wrapping. I think it is a good tip to use the Kanekalon hair with the Freetress braid just to make the braid a little thicker. And sometimes the straight hair might poke out, but it is nothing that a curling wand can't fix, because baby girl, I done did it before and I'll do it again. Okay, so now you just want to go ahead and start wrapping your hair. A great tip before you start wrapping is to make sure you space out the marley hair, just to make sure that it can cover more of the braid. So yeah, and you don't have to braid all the way down either. Like I used to do that, but I don't anymore. So basically, once you finish wrapping the hair all the way down, you want to use some nail glue. I use the Brush On Kiss nail glue. You can use any nail glue of your preference. If y'all know some stronger brands than Kiss, put them in the comments down below, because your girl need to find out. But I use the Brush On nail glue, and I put that at the ends. I like that way more than braiding, because way more than burning, because the burning, you'd be sticking to your clothes, it'd be black dust everywhere, it just don't be right. But again, I'm showing you this process. You're going to take some Kanekalon hair, that's the easy Braid Professional hair that I'm using, and some Freetress braid, and you're going to braid all the way down to the end of your hair, or a little farther if you have to. And then you're going to be using your crochet needle and putting the marley hair through. This is the Shake and Go Cuban Twist color 30 16-inch that I showed at the beginning of the video, and you're just going to space out the marley hair just to make sure it can cover more than enough of the braid and make sure that your faux lock is looking flawless. So you're just going to continue wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. Make sure that you wrap nice and tight, and don't overlay on the wrapping, because then the faux lock just looks really fat. So make sure that you wrap tightly, but don't overlap the wrap that you just did, okay? But don't make it look like a twist either, if you know what I mean, because you'll see what I mean when you start doing it. But now I'm just going to be wrapping to the ends and everything of that nature, and I seal it with some nail glue like I said before. It's really not that hard. It may take a couple tries, but y'all, it's a pretty simple process. But like I said before, it is extremely time consuming and it takes a long time. And I also have a tip. You can like take out hair from the faux lock and make it even more of a messy look, because I went for more of like a messy faux lock look, because I just kind of wanted to like boho yogi girl look that I was going for. So that's what I went for, that's what I got. But if you want a more neater look, then don't pull out any hairs, just leave your little hairs at the end. And I also did it to where like they were different lengths. Like on some of my faux locks is more curly hair out, and on some of them it isn't, you know what I'm saying? So it all depends on how you want it to be. If you want them all to be the same length, then you make sure that you wrap all the way down to the same length. If you want them to be different lengths, then you don't wrap all the way to the same length. It just depends on what's your preference, what look you're going for, and what you want. Like I said before, the Kanekalon hair, you put that with the Freetress braid it down to the end of your natural hair, take your marley hair, space it out, put it through, and begin wrapping. And once you get to the ends, seal it with some nail glue, as you see me doing in this clip here. So, this is an optional step. Again, like I said, I was going for the messy boho yogi girl look, and I just cut off the black of the TT30 and I put that through the two front locks on my hair. And as y'all can see, I was able to wash my face and everything. I even look more clean, girl, because that style took me a long time. I was so tired. And I'm putting some mousse on my hair right now, putting mousse on both sections. Now I'm about to slay my edges. Y'all know I love my eco styler. I really don't like edge control like that because it sweats out, but y'all know my eco styler crystal gel is my go-to baby. I'm gonna wrap my hair up and I'm gonna make sure my baby hairs is laid to the gods. Okay, so I just finished putting my hair in a simple style. I just put it in a simple top knot with the 2 front locks out. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, leave them down below. Please make sure you like, comment, and share. And I will see you beautiful jewels in the next video. Peace.